A Karen who is well known for her outlandish conduct suddenly finds herself in court facing allegations of narcotics possession. However, what comes after this? Oh boy, I hope you fastened your seatbelts because you're in for a crazy journey. After giving a judge the finger at a bond hearing in Florida, a lady was sentenced to 30 days in jail as a result of her actions. Penelope Soto, who was just 18 years old at the time, was found guilty of contempt of court after she insulted Miami-Dade Circuit Judge George Rodriguez Chomat. As a result, she was sentenced to nearly a month in prison. Because Soto had been arrested for unlawfully carrying Xanax, Rodriguez Chomat's decision to raise her bail from $5,000 to $10,000 infuriated her. Soto had been held in custody. However, until Soto gave Rodriguez Chomat the middle finger salute, the two of them were not quite on the same page. When the judge was being questioned earlier in the session by Soto about the worth of her diamonds, Soto responded by making fun of the judge.
Well, it's not a joke, you know. We are not in a club now.
Okay, but it's
we are not in a club. Be serious about it.
I'm serious about it.
You just made me laugh. I can see you're serious, all right.
You just made me laugh. I apologize.
It's all right. How much is your jewelry worth?
It's worth a lot of money.
Like what?
Like Rick Ross.
Huh?
It's worth
Ma'am,
money.
Have you had any kind of drugs in the last 24 hours?
Actually, no.
Actually, no.
Soto's bail was set at $5,000, and Rodriguez Chomat bade her farewell with a sarcastic bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
To Soto's utter consternation, the enraged judge then ordered her to return to the witness stand and promptly increased her bond to $10,000.
Come back, ma'am. Come back. Count one will be 10,000.
Are you serious?
I am serious. Adios.
At that time, Soto expressed his displeasure with Rodriguez Chomat by giving him the middle finger and uttering an expletive. The judge then imposed Soto a sentence of 30 days in jail for his offense. When Soto apologized to Rodriguez Chomat for insulting him, she did so with a serious expression on her face. As she expressed her regret, she stood in close proximity to her family members and counsel.
Well, my behavior was very irrational. And I apologize not only to the court and you, but to my family.
Her apologies were accepted by Rodriguez Chomat, and he vacated the 30-day contempt sentence he had given her when she had initially appeared before him on a charge of having Xanax. The case had been brought against her because she was found in possession of the drug. The fact that this was her first offense, that she admitted to misusing Xanax, that she was determined to overcome her addiction by enrolling in a drug treatment program, and that she expressed regret were some of the arguments he cited for reducing the severity of the contempt sanction. Rodriguez Chomat believes that Soto should not be held fully accountable for the conduct that she took.
I should not even hold you as totally responsible. We live in a society where if you listen to music, every other word is a profanity. We live in a society where young people like you feel that it's perfectly okay to call all kind of names to their teachers and their professors and their friends, and they feel that's okay. That's like, hi, good morning. And we live in a society where police officers in particular are abused on a daily basis, mostly by young people who believe that it is okay to call policemen all kind of names. That's totally unacceptable.
In addition, Soto's attorney offered a public apology on her client's behalf and said that her client had taken alcohol and drugs before acting out in court. Soto's behavior in court was reportedly influenced by these factors. According to the arrest complaint, the authorities seized Soto after she allegedly acknowledged to being on Xanax bars, and after 3 green baggies containing Xanax were found in her purse. Soto cut her off in the middle of her apologies as she was about to tear up.
Don't cry. Don't cry. I'm not a monster. I know I make you laugh, but it's all right. Don't cry. I'm not a monster. Go ahead, tell me.
And I normally don't act like that. So,
Let me ask you a straight question. Did you use Xanax? Did you take any Xanax Sunday?
yes, I did.
How many?
2.
2.
The judge told Soto he hoped she had learned several lessons.
I hope that you have learned a couple of lessons. Lesson number 1 is that drugs can put you in a very difficult situation. It is because of your use of Xanax, which I understand today is a body drug, can put you, convert you, make you a felon, a convicted felon. It can put you in county jail like you have been.
As hearing concluded, the judge wished Soto well.
Thank you.
Good luck to you, Ms. Soto. I really do hope that you learn your lesson.